Hi everybody. So the global search feature available on Dynamics CRM is a very useful in terms of searching multiple records, and this feature got introduced in Dynamics CRM 2015. So now using this feature, the CRM users are able to do a keyword-based research based on multiple records across the entity types at the same time. So that is a very improvement on the normal lookup, right? Using the normal lookup, you can get. Hi everybody. So the global search feature that is available in Dynamics CRM is a very useful option that we have and which got introduced in Dynamics CRM 2015. So prior to global search, what we had was the quick find, using which you can search only for one set of records. So now with the help of quick global search, CRM users are able to search for records across multiple entities using keywords. So that's a lot of improvement over the quick find search. Now let's see how we can do it. So in order to do it, first we need to click on the magnifying glass icon over here, which will open up one search page over here. Here I need to type the keyword that I want to search. For example, if I type a datum, or similar type keyword as A, then it will show all the records such as accounts, contact, leads, activities, cases, everything where the keyword A exists, right? So that is a lot of improvement over quick find. So now also for each of this record type, here I can see for this aid item corporation, it is showing multiple information, or I can see here on the contact, it is showing the contact name and the company that the contact belong to, as well as the location. So there are multiple information can be displayed, and also we can do a little filtering over here using the filtering with option. So now the filtering is none. That means it will search for all the records for which global search is configured. So I can filter it out for account so that it will show only account record which containing this keyword. Same way I can do for contacts or for any other entity. Yeah, or I can simply say none. That will it will search for all the record types. So one thing that we need to remember here is, so being a system customizer or system administrator, you can include your out of the box as well as custom entities for which global option can be configured. So we will see that in a different video. So what we can basically do is, as per your business requirement, you can change for which all entities need to be included in the global search. And also by default you can see only 3 column details that will be displayed for each of the records. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, right? 3 information. So this will be the first 3 columns of the quick find view, right? So there is a hard limit of only 3 fields you can be displayed here, but by customizing the quick find view of global search, you can change which all the fields need to be displayed. The same way, only 10 entities can be included in the global search results, right? But which all the entities need to be included, that as a system administrator you can configure. So we will see that how we can configure the global search in a different video. So I hope this is clear how we can use global search in Dynamics CRM 2016.